In this video, we will show you how to clean the cooling liquid system of the R5 and N4 We will demonstrate the maintenance task using an R5, but the required steps for both models are very similar. For this task, have the following items ready: a wet cloth, a cleaning brush, a pack of VHF Tech powder, and spare activated carbon pellets. You will find this maintenance task listed as cleaning the cooling liquid system in the maintenance section of Dental CNC. Select cleaning the cooling liquid system. The working chamber door will open automatically. Follow the on-screen guide. Remove the blank and the tool magazine from the working chamber. Perform a weekly cleaning of the working chamber. Note that we provide a video that shows you step by step how to properly clean the working chamber. You can find the link in the video description below. Pull out the cooling liquid tank. Empty and clean the cooling liquid tank. Note: dispose of machining residues and cooling liquid as described in the chapter on disposal in the operating instructions. Fill 2-liter respectively 2.1 quart of drinking water without cooling lubricant into the tank. Notice: only use Tech powder from VHF to clean the cooling liquid system. Add 1 pack Tech powder to the water. Stir the water until the powder is completely dissolved. Insert the tank into the multi-purpose compartment. Start the cleaning process with the on-screen guide. Wait until the process is finished. Empty and rinse the cooling liquid tank. Refill it with drinking water without cooling lubricant to the max mark. Insert the tank into the multi-purpose compartment. Start the rinsing process with the on-screen guide. Wait until the process is finished. Start the drying process with the on-screen guide. Wait until the process is finished. If your machine is a N4 dry the working chamber with a cloth. Empty the cooling liquid tank. Note: there are 2 versions of the cooling liquid filter. Version A is plugged. Version B is screwed. For version A, pull out the filter. For version B, do not loosen the filter at the top but at the metal ring below. Unscrew the filter. Remove the fine filter by stretching the top a bit and straightly pulling it off the filter. If you have water with a high chlorine content, you need to exchange the activated carbon pellets. Note that there are 2 versions of the cooling liquid filter. For version A, lift the cap off the carbon filter. For version B, screw the carbon filter cap off the cooling liquid filter. Empty the filter and dispose the activated carbon pellets. Clean the carbon filter. Fill new activated carbon pellets into the carbon filter until it is full. Firmly close the carbon filter with the cap or screw down the carbon filter cap on the cooling liquid filter. Pull a new fine filter onto the cooling liquid filter. Make sure that the fine filter covers the complete filter. Depending on your version, plug in or screw down the cooling liquid filter. Fill in drinking water for processing to the max mark. To increase the tool life values when milling titanium blanks, you can add the cooling lubricant Tech Liquid Pro from VHF. Note that we provide a video with more information about the correct mixing ratio of Tech Liquid Pro. You can find the link in the video description below. Make sure no water leaked onto the surface on which the cooling liquid tank is placed. If so, clean it with a dry cloth. Insert the tank into the multi-purpose compartment. Insert the tool magazine into the working chamber. Once you have finished cleaning the cooling liquid system, mark the corresponding task as complete in the maintenance section of Dental CNC. Cleaning the cooling liquid system. This will keep your list up to date. For a comprehensive knowledge base about VHF dental machines and DentalCam, visit dentalportal.info. We hope that this was helpful. Thank you for watching.